Good morning children, welcome to class 4 social studies. So continuing with the lesson weather and climate, we will discuss that again children. Okay, so always take your textbook and read. Okay, learn the meaning for the new words, pronunciation, everything, understanding the topic, that is very important. Okay, take your textbook and read. So continuing with the weather and climate. So based on the changes in weather children, okay, based on changes in weather, you have 3 seasons. Okay, so you have 3 seasons. So what are they? So one by one we are going to see. The first one is your winter season, okay, summer season and the rainy season children. So you would have observed throughout the year this is happening in India now. So you have summer season, winter season and rainy season. So now we are having going through the winter season. So from May to June, September, like that we will have rainy season, and from March, April, May you will have summer season. So okay, one by one we will see. So it lasts from, so when, what is the time period, you know, November to February children. Okay, November to February. So you have the winter season, and December and the January are the coldest month. So 2 months. So now you will be experiencing that one. Now it is very cold now. Yes, December and January. The coldest month, 2 months are December and January. And in the mountains you will have snowfall children. Okay, in the mountains you would have observed the newspaper. Jammu and Kashmir, Shimla, Himachal Pradesh, the higher altitudes of the Himalayas, now it will be snowing children. Okay, and then days are short. Okay, during winter season days are short. Then the winters or nights are long and cold. So this one also you will be observing now, children. The sun rises little late now, 6:10 or 6:15 like that only. Little you are able to see the sunlight, and by evening also it gets dark soon. Okay, observe that children. Nights are long and cold. Okay, the next one. So what are the vegetables available? Means so many different the seasonal vegetables are available, like a pumpkin, then cluster beans, something like that. And apple, nuts and variety of leafy vegetables are available children. Okay, so these things you can observe in the winter season. Okay, and then you used to drink hot, and the food also needs to be very hot so that you can beat the cold children. Okay, the next comes the summer season. So you will always remember your summer vacations. 2 months you will get holidays. So summer vacation. So you already know that season it will be very hot. So what is the what are the months we are observing the summer season is? It is mid of March to June. Okay, it is from mid of March to June children. Okay, summer season is from mid of March to June, and then June 21st is the longest day. Observe the next time children. Okay, June 21st is the longest day, and then Lu blows in the northern plains. What is Lu means? It is a hot wind blowing over the northern plains. That is called as Lu children. So it can be observed in the northern plains. Northern plains. Okay. So children, actually how the season comes when you little bit grow big and learn, it will be very interesting. See, the clouds, the winds, the oceans play a major role to bring rainfall to our country children. Okay, see, not even only the Indian Ocean. Actually the clouds start from the Pacific Ocean children, move over the Atlantic Ocean, then they reach the Indian Ocean, and the clouds move over all over India children. Okay, like this the wind carries away the clouds and gives rain to various parts in the world. Okay, And then coastal plains like Tamil Nadu, okay, there coastal plains they have a moderate climate, children. Okay, coastal plains they have a moderate climate. Now neither too hot, neither too cold. Okay, moderate climate they have, neither too hot nor cold. Okay, so what are the fruits available in the summer season? So obviously you know mango, watermelon, grapes are available. It's okay, we have the word, one more word also over there, mango showers, children. Okay, the mango will start flowering, but after that rain, no, the first rain or the two rains if it comes, that is called as mango showers. Then the mango will start coming in a full this one, children. Okay, mango starts arriving after that rain. Okay, so in the market you will be able to get mangoes, children. Okay, the next one is your monsoon season. So monsoon season from June to September. So it is your rainy season. So it is from June to September. Okay, then wind blows from sea to land. Wind blows from sea to land. Wind blows from sea to land, and a very unevenly distributed rainfall, children. See, when the monsoon starts, no, so first hits the Kerala, Andaman Nicobar Islands. You have to imagine the map, children. Okay, India map. When I tell like this, no, you have to imagine like that. So it hits the first Kerala. By June 1st or May end only it will start hitting. The rain will start coming. Then it will go to the Andaman. Then the northeast. Then the winds will start moving towards the northern plains. By the time they reach Rajasthan, the clouds are very low and the winds will reduce their speed, and then that parts will not get that much rain, children. Gujarat, Rajasthan and all. Okay, and Punjab also, that they will not get that much rain how we are getting during the monsoon season. No, northeast and all it will be raining very heavily, Kerala and all. But by the time the winds taking the clouds reaches the Rajasthan, the rain would have reduced now. Again the winds will move up to Ladakh, children. Then there will be a pressure change. So again the winds return back. So during the winter season, November, December, see it starts from June to September, move up to Ladakh. Then it returns back during the November, December. The coastal regions like Tamil Nadu receive the rainfall. That's why you would have observed 2 weeks back, 1 month, last almost 4-5 times we got cyclones also and we got heavy rain also. Okay, then agriculture in India depends on this rainfall, children. We are all monsoon dependent. Okay, when the rain comes only farmers will start sowing seeds. Okay, so southwest monsoon causes moderate rain in Deccan region. Northeast monsoon brings rain to the Tamil Nadu region. And what are the fruits available that time is plums, peaches and cherries are available, children. So by this lesson is over. So in higher class also you will study detailed one lesson only for monsoon, children. Okay, so 3 seasons, winter, summer and monsoon. So take your textbook and read, children. See you in the next class.